In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background like that. Now, hold it and wait for those icons on the left to show. When they do, click on this one with two rectangles below the padlock one. Now, you can either tap on another app in the background or select Home button and tap on any other app from your smartphone. Let's go with Gallery. Then enjoy using both at once. If you want to go back from this mode, you can go back into the background and swipe your split screen like you would any other app. You can also hold this line and not only resize your apps however you want to, but also by dragging it all the way up or all the way down, exit split screen. To continue, just tap on Home button to close the remaining app. But what most people miss is that you can actually tap on those three dots at the top of any of your apps opened in split screen view. This way you can use all of those options. This one with an X on the right will close chosen app so you can switch it to another one. This one on the left will open chosen app in full screen view. Those two, also on the left, can switch places of your apps. This one though is a floating window shortcut. When you click on it, chosen app will switch to floating window. To go back to the split view, click on the same three dots and tap on one of those icons we just covered. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!